so good. I can't stop having this. Hi everyone, you won't believe how simple this is. You're gonna thank me later. This is an oil-free, maida-free, under 200 calories. Let's go. So for the sauce, we need some garlic, soy sauce, some brown sugar, chili oil, peanut sauce, spring onions, roasted sesame seeds, and a little bit of sesame oil. Take 3 of these, then inside the water. Let it be like that for a while. Take it out and put it on your tray. Make those flat pad thai noodles. 5-minute recipe. Some spring onions, some soy sauce, love peanut butter, brown sugar, love chilies, so a lot of chili oil. To moisten the whole thing of oil, then the sesame seeds. Blend, blend, blend. 2 tablespoons of water. Look at the texture of it. Oh my god. Some sesame seeds. And the taste check. Yeah. Till I get another recipe for you guys, go try this. You'll love me.